my name is Maynard, and I'm with the Dipert Career and Technical Center.
And my name is Bethanne, Monroe.
Today we're going to be making the fig sticks. So the first thing you're going to want to do is wash your hands for 20 seconds using water and soap. So while Bethanne's washing her hands, I'm going to go over what you're going to need. Today we're going to be using some strawberries, blueberries, some dried figs, and some baby cucumbers. You can use whatever size cucumber you want. Also going to need some skewers. There's different sizes and looks to them. Whatever you have on hand works. You're going to need some butter knives and a cutting board. First things you're going to want to do is cut your tops off of your strawberries and cut them in half, and you're also going to want to cut your figs in half. And once you have that cut up, you're going to also want at least 2 slices of your cucumber. Now that you have everything cut up, you're going to put it all on your skewers. You can do it however you want, whether you want as much as you want or whatever pattern, it doesn't really matter. So once everything's put together, you're going to enjoy.